Welcome back, my dear students. I hope you guys are having a really blast in this course, learning so much knowledge, okay? Remember that knowledge that is not applied is not knowledge at all, okay? So if you don't take action with your knowledge, you're not really learning anything. You're not really doing anything. So make sure that whatever you learn here, apply right away into your projects and maybe try to look for a job related to this technology. Pretty awesome stuff. Anyway, so I told you that I was going to show you how to do another type of validation, and I am going to do that. So let's go to routes and let's go to this post routes right here. And if for some reason our client validation is not working and we want to play around with the server side or also have the server side as a backup, we can. Right here, this error here, whatever we get here, is some type of object. Okay, and this object has a method. Let me see if my ID can help me out. Validator errors. It's not helping me out. No worries. I can do it right here. Validation dot errors. There we go. You see this right here? This is an array, an object with errors. And I'm gonna show it to you right now. I'm gonna console this bad boy right here. Actually, I don't even need that. I can just do this right here. Okay. And automatically when I try to submit something that it's, let's actually turn off our validation. We have a validation here. Let's turn this off because if we don't, I'm going to do Command Z after I take this off. You don't have to do this, guys. I'm gonna plug this back again, okay? I just want you guys to know this, okay? Um, so right now we have no validation. Let's see. And if we submit this, it stays hanging there. That means we have some type of error. And let's go back. And you can see the error right here. But what you don't see is this errors object that has the title, has a key here that says, hey, look, I have a validation error here. And this is the message. So we can actually go to our route wherever we are catching this, which is right here. And we could, and that's why I named it differently before, but it does, we can grab these errors, okay, and loop through it in with handlebars in the other side if we wanted to. Okay, so you could, let's say, hypothetically speaking, giving you just some type of example here, we could say render admin post create, okay, and then you can pass this object with this, and let's just rename this real quick so it looks better. Validator, let's just comment this out, and I would say validator that errors, and then we just, okay, and we could do that. And then on the other side, you can just display the errors, okay, in this side. So when you submit it, you see now that you get this error here. It says path title is required. Okay. Now this message doesn't look pretty that good, but you can fix it. Okay. You can play around with it, but you can see that you can get those errors there. All right. Now I like to do it my way by pushing it into an array. I don't like to use this validator catch here error object. So I'm just gonna do Command Z. I just wanted to show you that, okay? I know that this is not a class about validation, but you should know a little bit of validation. Okay, so let's just Command Z. I'm gonna do Command Z and get all my validation back. Okay, that should do it. Let's see. Command. Okay, there we go. Now I'm gonna return my required as well because I really like my requireds. The title required. The file doesn't need to be required. Selected doesn't need to be required. Allow comments either. Just the body. There we go. That way I don't even have to go to the server side. There we go. Perfect. That's it.